NCH.
Okay, guys. Some of you really liked my last video, so I thought I would record another one here. Somebody asked me on the React.js Reddit forum what my pain point was as a blind developer. I think it's probably the same as a regular developer, but I think it might be a little more acute in my case, and that's debugging. I was looking at a problem this morning on another app that I had built after I had updated it to create React App version 3 and had gotten rid of all the linting warnings by fixing them. I was dealing with a problem where one of my components was constantly re-rendering itself, and I figured out why and fixed it, but it was really hard to track down because it was constantly re-rendering itself. My screen reader was, whenever it was in that window, was crawling because it was constantly, even though it was re-rendering the same thing on the screen, it was constantly updating itself. And so NVDA and JAWS were like, what are you doing here? So they weren't repeating themselves. They were just, I assume it must have been hitting the CPU really hard because it was really hard for me to do anything to actually fix it. And I couldn't figure out what was making it re-render. It turns out it was one of my user effect hooks was getting it into an infinite loop because it was changing something in the user effect hook that was part of the dependency, and so it was changing it, which was making it rerun the effect, which was changing it, which was making it rerun the effect, which was, that was a problem. So I fixed that. So, but even like some of the dev tools and things, I tried using React dev tools and they look like they're okay under Firefox. I had a really hard time getting them to access it all under Chrome. Firefox looks a little more promising. Not exactly sure what they're supposed to do. I saw the profiler in there, and that's how I realized that the component was re-rendering, but it really didn't give me a clue as to why. But enough of that. I know yesterday I worked on my Firebase starter template thing. I thought I would update that to React, create React App version 3, because it does have some nice linting rules as far as hooks go. So I just learned about that this morning, actually. So I thought I would get in here and try to update that. Now I'm using JAWS for Windows this time instead of NVDA, just to see how it will interact with Visual Studio Code. It usually does okay, but NVDA is reading some extra stuff, and I want to see if JAWS does the same thing. I switch back and forth every now and then. So I'm going to go
debut professional by software registration code inbox@gmail.com index.js nch soft index.j main.
His speech is a little faster this time. For those of you who saw my video yesterday, this is what I normally have it set at. Okay, so in order to update this create React app, I have to go into my project.json. I already have my Firebase starter open.
Complementary.
So I am going to find
package.json.
I mean package.json, not project.json. Okay. So
React scripts 3.0.1.
Oh, it was already. Am I in the right project here?
Package.json Firebase starter Visual Studio Code.
Yeah.
React router DOM caret 5.0.0. React scripts 3.0.1. Right brace. Scripts left brace.
Okay.
Start React scripts start. Build React tester eject right brace.
It must be already updated. I thought it wasn't. I don't know if I had a brain fog or what, but let me try
see Windows system
building this thing now. See if I get any linting errors. Unless it just updated everything. But I thought I only updated the one
see
project.
Firebase starter.
Alright, npm start.
Usage npm command where command is one of access editor audit bin bug c cache size hit completion config create ddp dedupe deprecate this tag.
Okay, what did I?
N.
My caps lock key is on apparently.
C dev Firebase.
Hang on.
Folder view list view Google Slides checked 6 of 42.
Why?
See Windows system. NM greater.
Alright.
Quit JAWS dialog. See Windows system 32 CMD.
Where it randomly decides it wants to lock the caps lock key. Alright, I'm just going to try starting that here.
JAWS Professional. See Windows.
There we go.
Caps lock off.
Okay, there we go. Now it should actually work. I know I typed that right.
T. And R. A. T. G. T. A. R. T. Space. Firebase
Okay,
starter at 0.1.0 start. C dev Firebase starter. React script start.
There we go.
Starting the development server. Mozilla Firefox. npm.
I'm going to go to my npm window to see if it throws up any errors. Because I know I got some in the last project I updated the React scripts on.
Compiled successfully. You can now view Firebase starter in the browser. Local http://.
Okay. Let me just see.
Task switching. React app Mozilla Firefox. React app.
I'm going to look at my other project and see what version of the scripts it's running because I
-EMIT
don't think I Firebase.
-T. C dev time off Firebase public. Package.son. Context menu. Open with leaving menus. Package. Left brace. Name time off Firebase. Version 0.1 private true. Dependencies bootstrap _4 Firebase _moment _2 moment business React 16.8.6 React bootstrap React dates 20 React DOM React Firebase React router DOM React scripts 3.0.1.
Okay.
C dev time off Firebase.
Must have been already React app must have been already been updated when I created that yesterday.
Task switching. React app Mozilla Firefox. React.
So that's nice. So let me I'm going to create a little navigation component now. In
C dev time npm. Package.son Firebase starter Visual Studio Code.
Okay, so I'm going to. Well, first I'm going to go into my app component and make it a function component instead of a class component. Which I believe it should be by default here. If I can. Why is the Solution Explorer not coming up here?
React app Mozilla Firebase starter Visual Studio Code.
Hang on. Alright, let's try
Open file dialog. Items not selected Firebase app.css app.js. Firebase starter Visual Studio Code. App.js Fire. Lang.
Alright. I'm going to close Visual Studio Code and relaunch it. Sometimes it does weird things.
Visual Studio Code. App.js text file editor. Group 1.edit
Okay,
contains
there we
text
go.
computer. Lang.
I think.
Menu. Leaving menus. Main region. App.js text file editor. Group. Import React from React.
Okay, there we go. Now it's reading finally.
Import logo. Import. Lang. Function app left brace.
Oh, it is already a function.
Return.
Yeah, I must have made it with the right.
Div class name equals app.
Okay, so I'm going to get
header class name equals app header. Lang.
all this stuff.
MSRC equals left. Header class name equals app header. Header class name MSRC p logo alt equal edit code src/app dot and save to reload. Lang. Showing 4 problems /p. Showing 5 problems. Lang. Div class name equals app. /p.
Yeah, I know you don't like that /p there, do you?
/p. Lang. A. Class name equals app. A. Space. Less. A. Lang. Class name ref equal target equals rel equals Newton. Lang. Learn React / a /e. Adder /div. /div. Less. Lang. Lang. Div class name equals app. Right brace. Lang.
Right.
Export default app.
That should be better now.
React app Mozilla Firefox.
It's going to be
React
blank,
app
obviously. But
React app. React app.
yeah, that's what I was expecting. Okay.
App.js Firebase starter Visual Studio Code.
So I am going to.
Untitled 1. Untitled file text editor. Group 1.edit. Save as dialog.
I'm going to make a separate component called navigation.js.
Main region, untitled 1. Untitled file text editor, group 1. Untitled 1. Untitled file text editor.
I'm going to import React from React.
Item React docs, null. Navigation, blank, edit.
And then I am going to import.
Item import statement, docs, import. Item from doc. Item firebase docs, null. Item user context docs, user context.js.
Yeah, okay. So remember we did the firebase user component yesterday, and I'm going to put the navigation component underneath that in the app component. So I'll just be able to import the user context because I want to show different navigation links based on if the user is actually logged in or not. So let's see. Oh,
Toolbar end, navigation.js, text file editor, group 1.
I'm going to not use JAWS because I forgot that it has this really annoying bug that every time I try
navigation.js, text file editor, group 1.
Hit enter, it takes me out of the text box. So I'm going back to
navigation.js dash
NVDA here.
File sub navigation import user blank.
There we go. Okay. Then I will go
showing 3 problems.
I like functional components because there's a lot less boilerplate. So let's see. Okay. Okay.
Blank. Note. Tree view. Level 1. 1 problems in.
Yeah, I know. I don't care about that yet.
Tree view. Level 2 warning generated by Esland. app.js. Text file editor. Comma. Group 1. I. Import logo. Space. Import tick.
Yeah, you happy now?
Note. Level 1. 3 problems in file navigate.
Yeah, I don't care about that either.
Import React from tick React.
Alright.
Navigation. Const nav blank. Blank. Right brace. Const navigation blank.
Alright. Const. I'm going to create a user variable with the
made 2 formatting edits on line 4.
I gotta
import React from tick React tick semi.
Use context hook, don't I? You're not gonna
import React comma left brace FB K right brace.
Use context.
Item on context menu comma ducks colon var on context menu colon left pair navigate blank right brace on text.
Oops.
On text select blank import React import React comma left.
Is that better? Context, it looks like. Okay.
Import user context from tick./fire import React const navigate tab const user equals use contexxt left parent C.
That means yeah, the X is twice.
X.
Wondered why I didn't pronounce that right. Okay, is it happy with that so far?
3 problems. Level 2 warning generated by Esland colon. Tick React tick is defined. Warning generated by Esland colon. Tick navigation tick is assigned a warning generated by Esland colon. Tick user tick is assigned a.
Okay, there's all warnings.
Navigation.js. Text file at line feed. Okay. User unselected.
So now that I have a user, I can do return.
Item blank.
And we can do a div.
Props question colon. React.detailed HTML made 2 formatting edits.
We can do conditional rendering here. And we can say user.
Props question colon. React.detailed HTML props less React.ly HTML at
button.
Item on click. Props question colon. Left parent. Made 5 formatting edits on line 7.
I'm just going to make it really simple
Blank.
for now and say sign out.
Made 1 formatting edit on line 8. Blank. Right brace less slash lee greater right brace. Made 2 formatting edits.
And then we want to do, if they're not a user, we want a link to equals
Item dot.
sign in.
Item in comma. Ducks colon. Imports entire module in S6 syntax without module name left parent. JavaScript left parent. Import React comma. Import user contact const navigation. Import line
I need to
feed.
import the link from the React router, don't I? Alright.
Space. Made 2 formatting edits on line 3.
There we go. What's it going to complain about now?
Note. Level 1, 9 problems in file navigation. Level 2 error generated by SLint colon, parsing error colon, unexpected token comma, expected quote semiquote 1. Navigation.js dot. Text file editor dot comma, group 1.
Oh.
Navigation.js dash, tick, r, tick, d, tick.
There we go.
Note. Error generated by TS colon, JSX element tick dive tick has no corresponding closing tag dot. L line 7 and caret.
Really?
Navig. Return left parent, dive unselected. Less dive grade, left, alert left, blank, right, left, less slash dive greater. Left brace bang user nn less lee greater less link to equals quote slash sign quote greater sign in less slash link greater less slash lee greater right brace. Right, left brace bang user nn less lee greater less linked, space select, line feed. Space unselected.
Oh, the leaf there.
Less slash dive greater. Blank, left right brace less slash lee greater right brace, left brace bang user nn less lee greater less link to equals quote slash sign quote greater sign in less slash link greater less slash lee greater right brace, left brace.
That's close there. Why does it not like the
Error. Level 1, 6 problems in Level 2 error generated by TS colon, JSX element tick dive tick has no corresponding closing tag dot. L error generated by SLint colon, parsing error colon, unexpected token 9 bar alert left parent, quote, navigation.js dot. Text file editor dot comma, group 1 dot. Edit has a blank. Alert left parent, left brace user nn less lee greater less button on right brace less slash lead greater right brace.
Oh, yeah, I know why. It doesn't like the,
Greater, less, slash, B, less, greater, less.
sign out.
Item, T, less.
Are you gonna be happy now?
Note. Level 1, 3 problem. Level 2 error generated by S::. Tickling tick is not defined. Dot. Warning generated by S::. Tick lowing tick is defined but never used.
Oh.
Now.
Yeah.
Lowing con O I.
There we go. That
Note.
should be better.
Level 1, 1 problems in Level 2 warning generated by S::. Tick navigation tick is assigned a value but never. Now.
Yeah, I know. I didn't import it anywhere yet. Hang on.
Navigation on select.
So I'm gonna export that. Now
Navigate. Level 1 SRC expand. Level 2 fire. Level 3 config. Level collab. App.css. App.j. Import blank. Import tick. Blank. Item navigation. Import. Function app left parent. Import navigation from tick. Line. Item.
Importing the
Item.
router.
Item RCC, ducks colon, creates a React component. Item router, ducks colon, null.
Oh, it's gonna want that in braces, isn't it? I think. I think we gotta import.
Item redirect, item route,
Yeah,
duck,
there we go.
import.
Now it's giving me IntelliSense. Alright. Make sure that looks right. Yeah, that looks right. Okay.
Import tick. Blank. Function app left tab return less div class name equals quote app quote slash greater semi.
Oh, yeah. Prettier was trying to be nice and put that all in one line. That's nice, but I want a little more than that right now, so I'm going to get rid of
Greater.
that.
Space. Greater. Right parent. Tab.
I'm going to put a closing div in there.
Tab right. Tab return left parent. Less div. Line feed.
And
Tab.
now I'm going
Made 1 formatting edit on. Item route, ducks colon. Left parent. Alias right parent. Clap.
because the
Greater.
navigation component needs links.
Less. Tab. Tab. Tab.
It
Tab.
needs to go under the router, so I'm going to put that
Item.
there. And now I'm going to actually,
Less slash. Line feed.
I'm going to do that.
Line feed.
Make it look a little nicer.
Tab. Tab.
And
Tab.
then I'm going to
Made 1 formatting edit on line 10. Item route, ducks colon. Left parent, alias right parent.
I'm going to put a home component in here, exact.
Item home header,
didn't make
ducks
that.
colon. Auto import from tickos tick auto import from tick. Item duck, duck, tab, tab, tab. Item route, tick.
Alright, now I'm going to create my home component.
Untitled -1 dot. X blank space R O tick semi blank item item A line feed
Just make it really simple for now.
save as dialog file name circle untitled -1 firebase starter visual studio const home equals left parent right parent equals tab return less h1 greater welcome home less slash h1 right blank blank
Const,
T.
default, I think.
export default home semi note level 1 2 problem level 2 error generated by /: tick home tick is not defined dot at line 11 and character 37 app.js dot
Okay, yeah.
import react from tick
Okay,
react tick
import.
line feed
Home from,
item home comma
yeah.
Imp-
There we go.
note tree view level 1 3 prob level 2 error generated by /: tick home tick is not defined dot app.js dot text file editor dot comma group 1 dot edit has auto comp import react import hm from tick dot slash m showing 3 problems note level 1 1 problems in file app level 2 error generated by /: tick sign in tick is not defined level 1
yeah.
2 problems in level 2 error generated by /: parsing error : unexpected token comma expected quote semi-quote 2 bar import nav
What did it not like here? Export. Oh. Alright, let's try that.
note level 1 1 problems in tree view 1 level 2 error
Okay, yeah, sign is not
App.
defined. I'm gonna
run
be steal a signing component that I had from one of my other projects.
EABERIF
available
backslash
GitHub. Let's see, time off. Firebase.
C items view service work sign in .js check address selection items view src items view progress C dev firebase app.js firebase app import react from tick react tick semi line item sign in comma dot import sign in from tick dot
I'm gonna need to install some other.
import home from tick import sign in from tick dot C react app mozilla npm n attempted import error dot slash navigation does not contain a default export imported as navigation app.j app.navigation navig import x tab export const navig export space const unselected show C blank showing two problems. 2. X blank. N mod dot slash module not found. Can't resolve React Firebase as slash styled Firebase auth and C. Dev Firebase starter src single quote.
React Firebase UI. Okay. Yeah. It's because I didn't install it. So this is the Google
Terminal. C. Dev Firebase
component for
EE
Firebase authentication, which I'm not thrilled with, and hopefully I'll get a chance to show you
18
why.
dot slash roll.
But it works the best that I found, and I didn't really feel like writing my own. But I'm gonna try to.
18 dot
to
load.
help me to try to submit a pull request. The accessibility
18 dot fetch.
the component.
15.
Is not great. Oh shush.
Now.
Yeah, it's trying to read all the NPM stuff as it scrolls across the screen. That's super useful. Not. All I care about is stuff at the end. Let's see. Not sure how long this is going to take.
NPM.
Yep, still running.
Navigation. NPM. Nav. C. Win. C. Blank. Blank. Found 0 vulnerable. Added 3 packages from 2 contributors. And audited 889,265 packages. And plus React Firebase at 3.1.2. Blank. Current. Us. NPM warn not. Plus React added 3 pack.
Alright, let's try it now.
Greater Firebase starter at 0.1.0 start C. Dev Firebase starter. Greater React. Mozilla Firefox. Busy. NP blank starting the development server. Blank blank blank. Compiled successfully.
Hey, there we go.
You can now view Firebase React app. Heading level 1 welcome home.
Okay, so it's showing the home component right now.
Visited link sign in.
If I go to
Visited link sign in. Heading list with 2 items button sign in with email.
Hey, there we go.
Button sign in with Google.
Now let me just make sure.
NPM navigation.js Firebase navigation service worker dot navigate logo dot index home dot app dot Firebase level 1 src expanded 3 of 8. New open reveal and find it copy delete new reveal and open and terminal for src level 2 Firebase collapsed 1 of 11. Service work sign in .js 11 of 11 level 2.
Okay. Right there.
Sign in .js.
Alright.
Black right tab left tab less h1 greater sign in less slash tab less styled Firebase auth config equals left brace config right brace Firebase auth equals left brace Firebase dot auth right brace slash greater tab less tab const config equals left brace sign in options colon left bracket Firebase dot email provider comma Firebase dot Google provider right bracket comma sign and success URL colon tick right brace semi.
Yeah, so the Firebase email and Firebase Google are coming from my Firebase class that I talked about yesterday. And I'm actually going to make a change.
React app Mozilla Firefox NPM
to show the
sign and
user
service worker dot navigation dot logo dot index home dot js 5 of 11 home dot j blank export default homes right tab return less h1 greater welcome home less slash h1 greater semi
So I'm going to say welcome.
Showing one
If there's a user
item home
display name. Now I know that's gonna
showing 5 problems. 5.
Shush.
Note. Home.
Not sure why NVDA likes to read the number of problems I have randomly.
Import React from tick React.
Alright.
C.
Now I gotta
Return less H1R.
I gotta import the user context, which means I gotta import use.
Item use context import.
There we go. Oops.
Right bracket.
There we go.
Const home equal C. Blank.
Import.
Item import statement. Item firebase. Import user. Item user const tab return less H1 R. Blank. Item context colon react dot context item use context comma item user comma ducks colon item user context const user equals use context left parent user context. Made 2 formatting edits on React app npm n blank to create a note that the development.
Yeah, so now when we sign in, it should say welcome Chris Westbrook or whatever. Now I'll tell you why I don't like this
home.js file React app
sign-in thing.
List with 2 items button sign in with Google. Sign in with
The sign in with email is
account chooser busy. Head
interesting.
combo box collapsed in the next form fee. List with copyright tooth link plus select Westbtrissa G Chris Westbrook Westbtrissa heading level 1 choose an account Westbtrissa@gmail.com.
If you're coming to this as a user, there's no way for you to realize that that's actually a clickable element there to select that. You're just seeing it as text. I know that I can hit enter on that and it will
Document busy. Sign in with Google button. Frame HTTP HT browser tabs HT sign in with Google sign in link HTTP sign in link visited HTTP sign in with Google button HTTP browser tab sign in with Google button HTTPS navigation toolbar combo box collapsed. Search with Google or enter address edit as autocomplete. Selected localhost 3000/sign-in mode equals select. Unknown React app out of list frame HTTPS browser tabs sign in with Google button sign in with email button HTTP the next no previous button sign sign in link visited sign in with email button sign in with Google button
what the heck is
now
tell you what, I'm going to
click N question mode equal blank N black React app list with 2 items button sign in with Google.
Alright, let's try that.
Busy React app heading level 1 welcome home / visited link sign in
Alright, so it did that correctly, but it did not show the user. Let's see if I get anything in the console.
App developer out of edit log. App initialized link fire edit multi-line.
Nothing in the console.
React app document. Visited link sign in. Heading.
I don't think it actually signed in because it didn't take that link away.
Visit.
Oh, I know why.
npm.
Yeah, because I'm an idiot.
React home.js fire.
We got to put in our
home
fire
index dots
component.
level 1 src level 2 fire app.css app import function app left tab return left parent tab less div class name tab less router greater less tab item firebase comma ducks colon auto greater less slash firebase user greater selection black x right brace.
Surprised React didn't give me a warning about their
Tab right pair.
context not being in the component tree.
Tab less slash router greater. Tab.
Okay. And I don't think it's gonna like that unless I
Import React import sign in from tick dot import home from tick dot slash home tick semi I blank. Item from comma. Item firebase user comma.
That wasn't
I F R F E tick. Item R tick. Line fee semi line N. Search for the key blank. Line 12. Firebase user is not defined. React slash JSX no undef dot slash blank failed to compile top line blank. Search for the key line 12. Firebase user app dot I R.
Alright, try that.
N blank to ignore. Search for the blank. Sire React hook slash exhaustive dips. Line 22. React hook use effect has missing dependencies. Auth user. Either include them or remove the dependent. Dot slash src slash firebase hooks dot app.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about with the new React. Create React app gives you these
app dot
and hooks. So let's
level 1 src level 2 firebase collapse app dot expanded level 3 conf firebase dash hooks dot fire black right tab return user sem tab right brace semi blank tab right brace comma
user and
item user comma.
let's see if that helps.
npa blank to create a note blank on your network fire react app react heading level 1 welcome Chris Westbrook
Hey,
home.
there we go. Yeah, I just needed to get that
np firebase hooks dot
in there. Now let me
firebase level 2 firebase expand collapse app dot dot home dot js home
I'm just gonna
blank export default right tab return left tab const user equals use context left tab return less h1 greater welcome left brace user and then user dot display.
I'm gonna take the home out of there
left slash r
and put it there because I know that's gonna drive me nuts. Save that.
React app Mozilla React frame. This error occurred during the failed to compile dot slash src slash home dot js line 5 parsing error unterminated JSX contents home dot js dash firebase dash starter dash
Looks like it should be right here. User and then display name. Oh, yeah.
Item H1, comma.
There we go.
Heading level 1, welcome home Chris West.
There we go. Now if I do
Button sign out.
If I do sign out right now, it's just gonna
Dialog sign out.
Yeah.
React app document.
I think I had a function in my
Home.js.
Firebase
Home.
class for sign
Level
out.
1
Let me make
collapsed.
sure.
Public collapsed to dot get new public collapsed s expanded app dots level 3 conf firebase dash hooks firebase import react find firebase tab sign out equals left parent right parent equals greater left brace
Yeah, that's what
provide unselected.
So I am
Home
going
dot
to, instead of doing an alert in my
Firebase dash hooks.js dot app.js navigation
yeah,
export default tab 4 tab 5 tab left 4 tab left tab 4 tab left 5 tab left 6 tab sign out 5 tab 6 tab 7 tab alert left tab
now that's gonna throw
Made one
out
formatting
with
edit
Firebase, but
note level 1
yeah,
import user context from line feed. Item Firebase user comma.
C.
I
think I remember that I did
made 2 format. O
C.
React app
see if it'll work.
npm n search for the key blank line 13 Firebase is not defined no undef ./src/ blank failed to compile. React heading frame failed to compile. In navigation import const tab const user equals use context blank
F.
item file comma item Firebase context const fire made 2 formatting edits on line 6.
Alright,
React app.
so now
This error occurred during the build. Search for the key blank line 13 Firebase is not defined no undef ./sr navigate import react tab const Firebase equals use context left parent Firebase context right parent n
alright, is that better?
react npm cannot find file Firebase.js single quote does not match the corresponding name on disk .src Firebase.js single quote navig import user import left brace Firebase I F
Capitalized.
npm n
Better.
Attempted import error. Firebase context is not exported from /fire. Level 1 SRC expanded collapsed. Gitniri level 2 Firebase hooks Firebase.j Firebase user context level 2 Firebase.js 3 of 5 level Fire blank export default Firebase context semi.
Yes, it is.
Navigation. Import user import left brace fire.
No, I know why.
Space.
Because it's the default export, and I had braces.
Space.
Let's try
npm blank to create a production
Hey, there we
build.
go.
Note that the development React app heading level 1 welcome home Chris Westbrook. Button sign out.
Now, if I click sign out, it should actually sign me out. Hey, there we go.
Heading level 1 welcome home.
Okay, so I made some progress today. I think I have a basic starter template now for a Firebase project. I have the ability to sign in and out. I have displaying somebody's name on the welcome page, home page thing. And of course, because I have it through the context API, I could use that in any component in the child, any child component on any of the routes or anything like that. I have a navigation component. Oh wait, I think.
N
Did I forget to put
blank npm navigation
I forgot to put URLs around my navigation.
import tab const file tab left brace user and
Yeah. That's
blank
L
less navigation less /L greater selected selection left 6 tab on click 6 5 tab 6 tab 5 tab less / 4 tab less / tab 4 tab less / league line feed made 2 formatting edits between lines 20 and 21 tab right parent right tab left /L greater /L greater less /L greater /L greater selected select /L greater 5 4 tab right tab less / tab greater
Try that.
line feed
Surprised React didn't complain about that.
npm react app react list with 1 items
there we
bullet
go.
visited link sign in
Now it's telling me there's a list there because there actually is a list there and not just a random list item. It's amazing when you use semantic markup, the screen reader actually tells you what it's supposed to be. Let me see if there's any warnings. I don't think there will be, but
develop
you never know.
out of edit signed out log user equals null link fire treeview google.com treeview button object sign
Yeah, there's nothing warnings. It's just logs from
react
my different components. Okay, so I am going to commit this. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to build next. I'm thinking about possibly doing a really stripped down version of a Reddit client because the Reddit website drives me nuts. But I don't know. That's might be more than I want to bite off right now. But we'll see. I'm definitely not going to be doing these every day because I do have a job, so I will be doing these in the evening and in my spare time. I don't know if it'd be possible. I don't know how this would work, but I don't know if there's a way to like live code with other people. That would be kind of cool. I've used Code Mentor before, but that gets really expensive really quickly, and I don't want to pay that kind of money. But it'd be kind of cool if anybody wanted to work on a little Reddit clone with me. Not clone, but basically all I wanted the ability to post and read things in my Reddit feed without fighting with the website. I guess fighting with the website is pretty annoying. So if anybody wants to do that, get a hold of me and put a comment or something. Otherwise, I might do something else, or I might not do anything for a while. We'll see. And I think I have a basic starter template anyway. So this will be available on GitHub if anybody wants to fork it and make some suggested edits and changes. I know I could get rid of some of the console logs. That'll be kind of annoying. I'll probably go ahead and do that. But so yeah, there's more of my coding skills. So, alright, thanks a lot, guys.